Hello, everyone. Welcome. This is the Crypto Libertarian here, doing a preview on what to expect for Shibarium Network. I don't know about you. I'm very excited about Shibarium. I'm a big fan of Shiba Inu. All right, before we start, couple disclaimer. This is not financial advice. This is all personal opinion. If you're looking to buy and invest in cryptocurrency, please consult with a financial advisor in your region and make sure that you have seen their license, verified their license, and it's up to date. There are a lot of people who listen to just, well, people online and lost a lot of money when it comes to cryptocurrency. So be very careful about that. Be vigilant. All right. So Shibarium network. So what we know so far, it is a layer two. Last video, we kind of touched base into what is layer two and how does it work. So what does it mean for Shiba Inu fans and holder like myself? Well, when it launched this coming week, we can see that it will start to burn Shiba Inu. Might increase, see, burn might increase substantially according to some members. Oh, what's happened to my screen? Yeah, there you go. We're back now. Okay, that was just odd. Okay, we're back now. It may burn up to a trillion Shiba Inu token per month, and some people say even 20 trillion. So let's be conservative. If it burns 1 trillion token, what does it mean to the price? Immediately, not much. I'm going to be very honest about this. This is the circulating supply right now. I know it's massive, like big, massive supply right here. This is million, billion, trillion. Let's just say in a year, it'll burn 12 trillion token. Few years, and then keep going up slowly. And assuming that the number of holder stays, it can potentially even burn more because of the fact that they're going to announce a lot of different partners who are going to be working and using the Shibarium network as well. So burning mechanism may increase over time in terms of burning rate. So this is very exciting news for Shibarium holder like myself. Mhm. So let's take a look at the price now. This is the price of Shiba Inu. Let me go back to candlestick. We kind of see that in the last hour, actually not last hour, in the last couple of days, it kind of jumped right back up and then going down a bit. And yes, this is my Binance account right here. And yes, I drew these lines right here. And we see that they are forming a double top right here. And it kind of bounced up and down quite a bit through this line here. I think this is my support right here. Go up, down quite a bit. So I think that in the next couple hours, or in fact, over this weekend, today is the 13th, actually 12 to 13, depending on where you're watching from. If you're in Hong Kong, then it's the 13th, right? It's probably going to go down. See that right here? Double top going here in the Heiken Hashi. You can see that red's forming quite a bit. And it looks like there's a bit of a downward momentum going down. And I think that it'll go down quite a bit, may go right back up around, maybe around here. Who knows? Could be, could be. But we can still see that we are still overall in uptrend for now, in the uptrend for now. But I don't want to throw some, want to rain on people's parade. I'm just going to be realistic, all right? When Shiba Inu, the Shibarium network launches, I suspect that the prices will go down. The reasoning for that is people will start taking profit. In the last couple of days, we saw that people have been started buying Shiba Inu to profit, Shiba buy to profit, Shiba Inu, all these right here, and they're supposed to take profit. It is actually healthy and good for the entire ecosystem. So don't be surprised if people are following the fundamental rule in trading. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Okay? So this is just a quick little preview for Shibarium, what to expect. Okay? And on the day, This is the schedule for ETH Toronto. We know that ETH Toronto looks like they are going to have the announcement right here on the final day. That was Wednesday. I thought they were going to do it in the morning. I misread it this morning. I think they're going to have it right between 6:30 to 11 o'clock p.m. in Toronto. Toronto. So that's East Coast time. If you are in Vancouver, that's 3 hours behind. And if you're in Hong Kong, Asia, that is 12 hours ahead. Okay? So that's the update for you guys. Down below, I have a link on a crypto course I created on Udemy to teach you how to get into and use cryptocurrency safely so you don't fall into a lot of scams. Okay, take care and see you guys soon after Shiba Inu, the Shibarium network launches.